Just find a place to be comfortable. Sit yourself down. Begin breathing, taking slow, deep breaths into the body, drawing the breaths into the body, breathing in deeply, deeply, finding a way to be comfortable with your tailbone on the earth, and beginning to visualize your spinal cord as a hollow tube. And breathing in and out, drawing the breath in through the nose, releasing through the nose, breathing in and out, a full abdominal breath where you're feeling your abdomen rise and fall with the intake and the outflux of breath. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, visualizing the spinal cord as a hollow tube, connecting the brain and the skull all the way down to the tailbone, from the top of your spinal cord to the bottom of your spinal cord, a hollow tube that you're running energy through. And at the base of your spinal cord, at the tailbone, you're beginning to push roots deeply into the new healed, whole Mother Earth. Mentally repeating, I am rooting in the new healed, whole Mother Earth. At the base of my body, I am rooting into the new healed, whole Mother Earth at the base of my body. And breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. As you begin to breathe in and out, superimpose over that spinal cord hollow tube a visual of a green tree, as if the tree had a green trunk and green roots following all the way down and mingling with the roots you've sent from your hollow tube spinal cord, mingling, rooting into the new healed whole Mother Earth. And with each breath you draw, see two visions. One, the self breathing into the column of your spinal cord for your third-dimensional physical body. Two, breathing in the green energy through this tree and spidering out from the right and left side of your spine and the right and left side of the trunk of the tree are branches all over your body, thin branches all over your body, wrapping around your shoulders, wrapping around your rib cage, your chest. Breathing in, breathing out. The left arm out to the side with the palm turned up. The right arm out to the side with the palm turned up. And breathing in, breathing out. Dear ones, you are becoming multidimensional beings. As you become aware of your multidimensional selves in the perfect moment, in the present moment with your physical selves, you become a new being. You create the new blueprint of the new earth beings. As the new earth begins to come, merging with and changing the old earth, the new beings come, merging with you and changing the old body. As you begin to change, the green energy protects your nervous system, protects your physical form, protects your emotional body and your mental body, your psychic body. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. The palms are open now. The arms are out from the side, and you've raised up your palms and hands to receive. Let the fingers curve up slightly, breathing in, breathing out. I am Quan Yin. You are in the garden. I am Quan Yin. The tree grows over the hollow tube. The hollow tube and the tree are working together. The green tree vibrational energy moves through your body, its branches unfurling, curling, creating a new balance inside of your being, rooted deeply to the new healed whole Mother Earth at the body base, sprouting up through the neck into the head, protecting the brain, breathing in, breathing out. All those tiny fibers of the tiniest thread-like branches sprouting from the tree move through your system and your body, bringing divine harmony. We are one. We are whole. As the earth comes together, the night and the day balance. You have this moment of balance to set the intention for your balance. Begin to move the right hand slowly and with great intention towards the heart, feeling the green energy threading through the heart chakra, up through the throat and the third eye. I am Quan Yin. Compassion weaving its way through the green healing energy into your body, bringing balance, bringing joy. I am Quan Yin. Breathing in, breathing in, breathing in. I am Quan Yin. Drawing the energy into your body. Wait for the gift now. The right hand on the heart, the left open to receive. Breathing in, breathing out. Threading the green around your throat, around your spine. Threading the green energy around the hips, through the organs, shooting up and down the chakras, paralleling your spinal cord, and working with your nervous system. These systems now coming together through the tips of your fingers and the tips of your toes, breathing in through the nose, breathing in through the tip of every toe, the tip of every finger. I am Quan Yin. Receive now, opening the heart and keeping that left palm open to receive. A word. A word will come to you. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. 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 This word is my gift to you. Focus on the word that has come to you. Bring it forward. Bring it forth. Write it out. Remember it. Meditate on the word in the next 3 months. As you move from the equinox to the full moons in the next several months, to the winter solstice, the longest, darkest night, you will be growing, you will be knowing, you will be integrating, you will be becoming whole, you will be accepting your divinity and facing fear with love. you will be moving into unity. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Let the energy in. I am Quan Yin. Slowly lifting the hand from the heart and bringing the left towards the right, slowly together, palm to palm, fingertips to fingertips, wrapping the thumbs around one another, bringing the hands in front of the heart in prayer pose. Om 3 times. At the beginning of the third Om, turn the palms towards the heart, and during the third Om, bring them towards the heart. Om. Om. Om Mani Padme Om. Om Mani Padme Om. Om Mani Padme Om.